Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Dan, and if this is the first time to be over here, welcome so much. So today in this series we are going to discuss, and maybe I want to explore what I know about cryptocurrency. So I'm going to teach you from zero. If you know nothing about the cryptocurrency, I guess this is the perfect videos for you. Okay, you just have to love this, because of course you have to love this, because I'm going to teach you like you know nothing, like you know absolutely nothing about the cryptocurrency. So make sure that you click that bell over there and subscribe, so that when I just upload a new video just like this, you just see it. Okay, now let's just do at least something in this cryptocurrency. I just want to introduce what is cryptocurrency, what is trending. I know that is, if you it's the first time maybe to hear about that, you'll be asking yourself what is the difference, because I've been telling some people this cryptocurrency, what is that? I've heard of trending, but I've not heard of crypto. What is crypto? I have heard of crypto, I've not heard of cryptocurrency. So this is the thing about cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is come from the word cryptography currency. Cryptography currency. Okay, graphy, you know, is something graph, where you just those graph. From those graph, you know something about graph. I know if you've been seeing a lot of trending, you have seen those graph. You have seen those graph on the trending things, so you have seen those graphs. So that is where the data of the market of the crypto is just being stored. Okay, let's just define the cryptocurrency so that you can just understand this. If you just go to your dictionary or maybe search on the internet, you see that what is the definition of cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and recorded maintained by a decentralized system using a cryptography. Cryptography is that chart you have seen on the cryptocurrency. If you have seen BTC, you can go even to 1 year back and see how the BTC was performing. So that the data is kept there. The data is kept there. There's no one who keeps the data. The data is always there. You can see how the market have been moving. So that is where the data is being stored. It is decentralized, so there's nobody who is controlling it. You can also decide to control it. What does the one decentralized means, by the way, is controlled more than one office rather than one single one. Okay, so here is the difference. You see that local currency of yours, Kenya shillings, USGX, Naira, that can be controlled by a certain office. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, there's nobody who controls it. It is controlled by everyone. For example, when you just doing Forex trading or cryptocurrency, whatever you just call it, today you just buy, for example, you buy a lot of BTC. You are going to affect the market of the BTC today, because when you just buy a lot of BTC, you are going to cause the price to go at least higher. But BTC has a lot of people who have invested there. Okay, billions and billions of money. For you to make maybe buy BTC and make a difference, you have to have a lot of money to affect the cryptocurrency. Okay, and now that is cryptocurrency is decentralized. There is no one who controls it. Umeelewa hiyo kweli? So hiyo crypto, that is what we call cryptocurrency, from the word cryptography currency, where utaona hiyo analysis, hiyo chart umeona za kufanya trading, umeona hizo chart, they are going like this. So unaweza enda for 1 years back and uangalie na uone cryptocurrency, for example BTC ilikuwa inatoka $30,000, $1,000, but in 2012 ilikuwa $1,000, maybe in 2022 ilikuwa this place. So you can all the data is stored on the graph on that one. That's what we call cryptography. Cryptography, those maybe BTC, BNB, and the Kenya shillings is not a cryptocurrency, by the way. You have not seen it. You cannot trade KES. You cannot trade UGX. Cryptocurrency, right? What is trending? Trending, let me just explain this. Trend you have seen. I know the last time maybe you watched trend, you know, is what we call barter trend. Barter trend when defined, it is where people maybe come with goods and exchange goods with goods, exchanges of goods and goods. But over here we are talking about exchanging of currencies. For example, on the barter trend, you can take your sack of beans and go to the market and then exchange with the person with being sack of potatoes. Barter trend. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, that is trading, we exchange coins because we're in a very digital era. So we just exchange coins. You can buy USD and exchange with euro. So that is what we call pair. USD papa euro. So you just, okay, that's why USD stroke euro. So that is pair. We'll come to define all those, what does it means, what all those pairs represent in cryptocurrency and also in the trending. But that is what we call trending. Trending is just very simple. You can even, trending has a lot of things. There's arbitrage trading, there's Forex trading, and a lot of things that we'll come to discuss later, okay? Consider subscribing, turn on notification bell. Tell me what you think in the comment section. What do you want me to start with first of all? See you next time. Peace. Goodbye.